If you want to find and manage display settings on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, first of all we need to open the settings on your phone. Then over here scroll down a little bit and then you should be able to find the display and brightness option. Now in here we have the option to choose between the light mode and the dark mode. We can also go to dark mode options in order to find dark mode for individual apps, and also you can automatically enable the dark mode and disable it by setting up the time when it should be enabled and disabled. Besides that, we have screen brightness settings, so you can adjust the screen brightness, use automatic screen brightness, and if the automatic screen brightness is off, you can also enable the sunlight mode. Over here in the screen section we have the color scheme, so you can choose the display colors. There is also the adaptive color temperature option, which you can enable, and also we have the color temperature wheel. We have the Xiaomi Eye Care Shield, which is pretty much the blue light filter or eye comfort mode, which you can enable in here. You can also create the schedule for that as well. And once the eye comfort mode is enabled, you can adjust the intensity of that filter. We can also choose colors and the app range. There is of course the refresh rate setting, where we can choose the default option, which allows you to use up to 120 Hz in the case of 17T or 144 Hz in the case of 17T Pro, pretty much all the time except for situations where the power consumption is higher, so then the refresh rate is set to 60 Hz temporarily until the power consumption is back to normal. The custom option allows you to choose specifically 60 Hz to lock the refresh rate and save the battery, or 120 or 144 Hz to use as much refresh rate as possible. There's also this option that allows you to choose if you want to use the high refresh rate for specific apps. Some of these apps are actually disabled in here, so you can turn it on if you want to. We have also font settings. Now the font option here allows you to be redirected to the Themes app, where we have a bunch of different fonts that you can get on your phone. And the font settings option allows you to choose the font that you want to actually use on your phone. We also have two sliders. One is for the size of the text and the second one for the thickness, which is only sometimes supported in some fonts, for some fonts I mean. And that is almost all. There is one more option available on the 17T Pro model, and it is in here, advanced textures in the screen section. So it has rendering effects like blurring across the system to provide an enhanced visual experience. The rest is pretty much the same. And of course, the refresh rate, as I mentioned, it is 144 Hz in this model. Leave a like and subscribe.